Hey you guys, what's up? It's Baby M in the house, and today I'm going to be doing a challenge with my friend Hannah. She's not here at the moment, so I will be posting another video later on in the day. We're going to be doing a water challenge, like try to make me laugh challenge. Like, ignore the hair, by the way. I just came from a beauty salon, get my eyebrows done. But yeah, I'm going to have 2 bottles like this later in the Evian water or Fiji, and she's going to be sitting. My friend Hannah, she's going to be sitting right there, and I'm going to be sitting right here. And we're going to do the strip down challenge. So the video will be about 30 minutes or so. We're going to do a strip down challenge and then a make me laugh challenge. Basically what we do is we're going to put water in the mouth. I'm going to tell y'all first. I'm going to put water in my mouth and I'm going to sit here and I'm going to try to talk. I don't know exactly how to play it, but I'm going to play it my way. Which is, my way is drink the water and we have to try to say something. The person has to guess what it is. And the other person is going to have water in their mouth too. And basically what you do is you have water in your mouth, so if you laugh, you spit water onto that person. So I think it's going to be fun, so I'm going to give you guys an example. What now? I have water in my mouth, and I spilled water on my new couch. We might not be doing this on this couch, by the way, because I really don't want to get this new couch even though I just got it wet. So, sorry you guys. But yeah. So stay tuned, and maybe around 1 or 2 o'clock I will be posting another video with me and my friend Hannah. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. You do not have to subscribe to this video. I mean like or comment on this video. It's just a preview to tell you what I'm going to be doing today. So bye guys, love you.